More than just a Eid wish, more than a message too.
Today, I will share the word of the day.
People also take time to be grateful for the things in their lives and ask for forgiveness of any mistakes they've made.
Makilalap, wala autofix ng bawang kung azim. From these verses, we ask forgiveness from the Almighty and pray that He guides us in the right path. Thank you.